About a year ago, there was a leaked Pixel roadmap that hinted at the possibility of a smaller Pixel 9 Pro being released. It was speculated that Google would also introduce a standard Pixel 9, along with a smaller and larger version of its Pro series phone in 2024. Earlier this year, leaked images of the Pixel 9 seemed to confirm part of this prediction, as we saw both a smaller and larger Pixel with Pro-style features. And now, renders of a standard Pixel 9 model have surfaced, completing the rumored trio. The latest leaks suggest that Google's Pixel 9 lineup will have a distinct appearance, with the addition of a third, smaller Pixel 9 device that will be sold alongside the Pro models. These leaked images, brought to us by Industry Insider on leaks in collaboration with 91 Mobiles, could potentially be the entry-level model in Google's flagship lineup for 2024. Alongside this smaller Pixel 9, there are expected to be two other variants: a standard Pixel 9 Pro and a larger Pixel 9 Pro XL. So, what would a lineup of three flagship Pixel devices look like, and how would it impact the series? Similar to previous leaks, the standard Pixel 9 model appears to feature a rounded camera bar that creates more of an island effect rather than a wraparound design. This design choice builds upon Google's design language introduced with the Pixel 8 Pro, where the cameras themselves resemble a search bar rather than the pill and circle design seen on the Pixel 7 Pro. However, unlike the previous leaks, which are now believed to have been of the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL, the model shown here does include a triple camera setup or a temperature sensor. These features have become synonymous with Google's Pro series Pixel line. Meanwhile, on standard Pixel 9, we see a dual camera setup without a periscope telephoto lens, indicating a standard and wide-angle configuration similar to the current Pixel 8. Addressing the big question, what exactly is the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Hemmerstoffer's initial leaks were for the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, but there has been a correction. The leaks actually pertain to the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The latest leak discloses that the phone will feature a 6.03-inch screen, slightly smaller than the Pixel 9 Pro's 6.1-inch display. We reached out to Hemmerstoffer for confirmation, and he verified that the Pixel 9 will indeed share the same dimensions as the Pro model. This aligns with our Pixel roadmap leak from 2022, where we predicted a 6.1-inch display for the Pixel 9, similar to the Pixel 8. The Pixel 9 Pro, codenamed Cayman, would offer all the expected Pro features in a smaller 6.3-inch display and body. Lastly, the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL, codenamed Komodo, would boast a 6.7-inch display. When the CAD renders surfaced this year, we highlighted the potential for misinterpretation, as our previous leak suggested that Google aimed to replicate Apple's successful sizing approach. Google seems to be striving for a powerful Pro phone that remains compact, and the latest render and clarifications today essentially validate our 2022 leak. Now, with the recent developments aligning so closely with the roadmap we saw in late 2022, it's natural to have questions about the future of Google's A-series Pixels. The Pixel 8 app is expected to make its debut within the next 2 months, and the growing number of leaks surrounding this device suggests that its release is just around the corner. However, the roadmap hinted that if Google were to switch to a 3-pixel flagship lineup, the A-series line might be discontinued in favor of the more affordable, non-Pro Pixel 9. We remain hopeful that this won't be the case, especially considering the promising sales of the Pixel 7a, which may have motivated Google to keep the A-series alive. Only time will reveal the truth. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming third Pixel device from Google? Do you believe it's truly worth having 3 devices like other manufacturers such as Samsung or Apple? Share your opinions in the comments section below, and for more updates, feel free to check out our channel. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care and peace out.